have the courage to dream? Do you have the courage to chase your goals? Do you have the courage to live for yourself too? If yes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Sreyashi. I am a homemaker, a mother, a spoken English trainer, and a motivational speaker. Here I share what I have learned from my own life experiences. Today's topic is very close to my heart, and this video is specially for all the homemakers who wants to learn English. Through this video, I want to request to all the homemakers, please learn English and express yourself the way you want to express because you deserve respect. So let's get started. Before knowing how you can learn English, you need to know why you need to learn English. Yes, without knowing why we need to learn English, you may not feel that much motivated to start your journey. So, point number 1, when you learn English, you become a confident person. You become so confident that you can express yourself anywhere. Yes, you can talk to your children's teachers at PTM. You can talk to anyone. You don't feel hesitated to start any conversation. Yes, and you can also start earning money if you learn it seriously. You can help your children confidently and without any hesitation. You may say now that Sreyashi, you are right. I want to learn English, but my situation is not appropriate for it. I have lot of household chores. I have to take care of my children. I have to take care of my in-laws. I have to take care of my family. If I start learning something new, I may have to compromise with my family. I may not give that much time with my son's studies. I have to compromise with my dream. So now I want to ask you, just ask yourself few questions. Number 1, do you watch movies sometimes? Do you attend the unexpected guests? Do you stay up late for your children when they are not well? Do you make special food for your family when they demand? You do, right? You talk to your friends and listen to their stories. You do. You scroll through social media also, right? I'm not saying that throughout the day you just waste your time and don't do anything. But all these things we do. We do. We scroll through social media, we watch movies, we listen to our friends and their stories, and we attend all the unexpected guests, and we compromise on our dreams. We do everything, but when it comes to chasing our goals and doing something for ourselves, we think this is a sin. And if we chase our goals, we may lose everything. Okay, don't think like that. Don't think like that. You matter. Your dreams matter. Okay, so chase them. When you start living for yourself, you can help your family, your children, or everyone in a better way. Okay, so if you still feel that you don't have to learn English and it is okay, then watch the movie English Winglish. I have watched that movie. That movie will teach you everything. I don't want to share anything here, but just watch the movie. That movie will tell you the reality, okay, of our society, okay, about English. So go and watch the movie. You will understand everything if you are not motivated enough or convinced enough with my words. So now let's move on to our next category, that how you can learn English. So learning English is not a big deal. Okay, you can learn it. You can learn it. Very easily you can learn it. But first of all, you have to make your mind that you want to learn it. The day you decide that, okay, I have to and I need to learn English because my improvement matters. I will work on myself. I will chase my goals. I will dream. I will also live for myself too. I'm sharing from my own experience. So, as I told you, this topic is very close to my heart. So, I'm sharing few things that I have experienced. That, when I started learning English, I used to spend a lot of time with English. I used to listen, I used to speak with myself, and I used to speak in front of the mirror, and people would say that she has gone mad, she is just wasting her time, she should spend more time with her son, she should do something else, why she is learning English at this time. So many things people have told me, but I just avoid all this noise and I chased my goals. And now I'm saying the things that nowadays is happening. The same people once who criticized me, they say, when they say me on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, they say, you are really doing well. I'm proud of you. Keep doing. By the way, how do you upload videos on Facebook? How did you learn English? Okay. Do you do all household chores? Do you help your kids with their studies? So now they have started doubting that whether I do all the household chores or I take care of my son or not. They are so concerned about me. So that's life, and I enjoy everything because these everything are part of our life. So when you also start learning English, you will also face almost same thing. People will say that you have gone mad, you are wasting your time, why do you need to learn English, you should do something else, you should not do all those things. People will do everything, but you need to be focused. Just treat them as background noise, okay? They can't disturb you, they can't distract you because you are very much focused towards goal. So become very focused on your goals and start your journey. So how you can learn English, that I'm going to say right now. Learning English is very easy. This video is English, but if you want to learn English from the scratch or from the beginning, I would suggest that pick channels that teaches English from your mother tongue. Okay. For example, if your mother tongue is Hindi, so pick a channel that teaches English through Hindi. Or if you are Bengali, then pick a channel that teaches English through Bengali. Start learning with a channel that teaches English from your mother tongue. Okay. So at the beginning, focus on sentence formation, means how you can make sentences. Don't run after advanced or difficult words. Okay. Just because you have seen someone speaking fluently, now on the day one you have started comparing yourself with that person and you have decided that you have to learn everything on the day one. Wrong. Just focus on sentence formation, and after watching the video, make your own sentences every day. Right, wrong, incomplete, just try to write some sentences on your own. Okay, take help from ChatGPT, then correct your sentences. It will give you a lot of encouragement. Okay, then start listening to easy and short stories from YouTube. Yes. Then start talking to your children and with your partner. So your partner is going to be the best person. He will support you all a lot. So he is going to encourage you a lot, because my partner encouraged me a lot throughout this journey, and sometimes he says, oh my god, you are so much excited about it, and throughout the day you are just experimenting with me. So your partner is going to help you a lot. Trust me, they want to help. When we want to help ourselves, our partners also help us. Okay, so talk to your partner, your children, and gradually start speaking in public also. So learn sentences from English, from Hindi, from your mother tongue. Then take help from ChatGPT. Then listen to short stories and write your own sentences and start speaking with your kids and partners, and do it for 6 months. If you are very much serious about it, within 3 months you will start seeing the improvement. Okay, so it is not a big deal, and it depends on yourself that how badly you want it. So you must have the courage to dream, you must have the courage to chase your goals, you must have the courage to live for yourself, because you deserve respect, you deserve financial independence, you deserve everything that you dream of. Okay, because you matter, your dreams matter. Yes darling, live for yourself too. So that's all for this video. Whatever I have learned from my own experience, I try to give my best. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to English with Sreyashi. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, ta-ta.